Hello, my name is Cody Rogers, and today I'm going to show you a problem you might run into when you're updating your schematic. So, let's just want to show you here, I've deleted that extra LED from the last video. So let's go here. There's that extra LED, R2 and D2. R2D2 from Star Wars, eh? I didn't do that on purpose, I promise. So press F8 though, and then update PCB, click close. Well, those two are still there, but I just showed you on my schematic that they weren't there. Let's run it again. Okay, here's the problem. Delete footprints with no symbols. That has to be checked. So check that. Now see, it's going to say remove it, and then update PCB, close. And now no more R2D2.